The alternator is like a mini power plant for your car. It keeps your battery charged while the engine is running, powering everything from your headlights to your radio. But just like any other part, alternators can wear out. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today we're diving under the hood to talk about a crucial component of your car's electrical system, the alternator. If you're not careful, a bad alternator can leave you stranded on the side of the road. So, how do you know if yours is on its last legs? Let's jump into the symptoms. Illuminated warning lights. This is the most common sign. Keep an eye on your dashboard for the battery light or an alt light. These are your car's way of saying, hey, there's a problem with the charging system. Dim or flickering lights. Is your car's lighting acting strange? Dim headlights, flickering interior lights. These could be signs that your alternator isn't supplying enough power. Electrical system woes. Are your power windows sluggish? Radio cutting in and out. If your car's electrical components seem sluggish or malfunctioning, it could be a hint that the alternator isn't keeping up. Strange noises, whining, grinding, or rattling noises coming from under the hood could indicate a failing alternator bearing. Burning smell, a burning rubber or electrical scent can be a serious sign. If you smell this, pull over and shut off the engine immediately. This could mean a fried alternator belt or internal electrical issue. Dead battery and starting problems. If your battery keeps dying or you have trouble starting your car, even after a jump start, the alternator might be to blame. It's not charging the battery properly. Loose or corroded connections. While less common, loose or corroded connections at the alternator can also cause problems. What to do if you suspect a bad alternator? If you're experiencing one or more of these symptoms, don't ignore them. It's best to get your car to a trusted mechanic for a diagnosis. They can test the alternator's output and determine if it needs replacing. Replacing an alternator can be a DIY job for experienced mechanics, but for most folks, it's best left to a professional. It involves working with belts and electrical components, and you want to ensure everything is done correctly to avoid further problems. Just like any other car part, alternators don't last forever. The average lifespan is around 7 to 10 years, depending on driving habits and conditions. Regular maintenance checks can help identify potential issues early on. While you can try some basic tests yourself, it's important to remember that a mechanic has the proper tools and expertise for a complete diagnosis. So, this is more for informational purposes, and if you're not comfortable, get your car to a professional. Thanks for joining me today. By recognizing the signs of a bad alternator, you can avoid getting stranded and keep your car running smoothly. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.